Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask ChatGPT to act as a legal advisor. Now, this is not legal advice for the record, but if you just wanted to get some, you want to Google just what some common defenses are for your particular case, or you have court coming up and you want to know how you can fight, your particular issue, ask ChatGPT and it will give you some answers. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come up with a scenario that I have court soon for an unpaid parking ticket. The parking ticket now is now $300 due to interest, and I don't want to pay it. Give me some common defenses for that argument and how I can beat it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, and we'll see what it says. Here we go. All right, here we go. Right. So in this particular case, I said I wasn't aware of it, and the first one it gave me was the lack of notice. If you didn't receive any ticket or notice, you may be able to argue that you weren't given proper notice, and therefore can't be held responsible for the ticket. That's a good case. Mistaken identity. Say for instance, you were renting your car out, and the person who was driving it got a legal ticket. I mean, a parking ticket, and they didn't tell you. You can say, "Well, I didn't know. They didn't let me know," and that's a good defense. Legality, you may be able to argue that the ticket was issued improperly, or that the signs or marking indicating the parking restriction were not visible. Good defense. And necessity, if you had to park in a place that you would normally not be allowed to park in because of an emergency or necessity, so you had to hurry up and get out the car, you may be able to use that as defense. So again, this is just some ideas that you can use. You can use it tailored for your specific case. I always say the more details you add, the better. I don't want to, by details, I don't mean what you ate earlier in the day, but details that pertain to the case, such as you were running late, you didn't see it, or they had damages. Again, whatever the particular case is, each case varies, and no one case is the exact same as others. There's always intricate details, but whatever you have going forward, and if you're a lawyer, you can most definitely use this as more ideas to argue the case in more different angles. So this is just one of the many small examples. You can use it as a party favor, or just your case is coming up and you just want to know some little different things that you can use to you can tell the judge, and hopefully it'll get you out of paying that $300 parking ticket. Use this. Use ChatGPT. It's handy. It's available. It's one of the smartest people on earth, and you have it in the form of your hand. So that's it right there. Let's go on to the next.